When we do the particle counting or in an application where we need to see if the contamination of particles are there, we must use some kind of measuring instruments to check and do some samplings before we come to some conclusion whether the room is highly contaminated, least contaminated, or what is the condition of the room. So to check the particles, we use the particle counters. And one of the particle counters Extech offers is the VPC300. Now this VPC300 has a lot of features which can be an ideal product for the clean rooms and rooms where it is class 2. Now we all know that there are certain clean rooms category from class 1 to class 10. Now this can well suffice in the class 2 applications. So there are 6 channels with which you can do the sampling, starting with 0.3 micron to 0.5, 1, 2.5, 5 and 10 microns. So it can take measurement up to 10 microns. Now this can be used in applications like metallurgy, biolabs, cement industries, clean rooms, pharmaceuticals and any such application where the particles are more important for people to check. And it basically displays the particles at the same time. So this particles are basically working on the principle of sampling with a sampling pump. So it takes some air from the room, samples it and then gives the result. The flow rate of this instrument is 2.83 liters per minute with the help of internal pump. The counting efficiency of this device is 50% at 0.3 microns. For the coincidence loss, this instrument has got 5% at 20 lakhs cubic feet rather. And it has got 3 modes of recording or reporting, which is cumulative and differential and concentration. This has also got temperature, humidity, dew point, wet bulb measurement along with this particle counter. Now as you can see, this is the pump basically which sucks the air, and these are the ones which can take the temperature, humidity, wet bulb and this measurement. At the back you can see there is a camera which can take a continuous recording of 20 minutes. At the front you have several buttons where you can do the settings and can view the report for this particle counter. Now it can run with a battery and it can also run with an AC adapter. I am going to show you what are there in the supply scope. So we have got a tripod which can be attached to this particle counter just to do the samplings. So when you are in the room, you want to do samplings for longer hours and you cannot hold it. So this tripod helps actually. Then we have the adapter which can be a continuous power supply for this instrument. We have several adapters available. For this adapter there are softwares basically in this device. So this also takes English, German, French and Spanish as languages for this instrument. We have also got a sampling tube for pumping operation, and this is the cable which is used to connect to the PC. So we also have a software which can be connected to the PC. For this software to be connected, we need to use this CD along with. There are some additional accessories which are supplied in the box, and this box comes in handy for the field supervisor or the one who is going to measure in the field. We also got calibration certificate and an instruction manual for this device, and this device has also got certification which means it has got CE certification, ROHS certification and FCA certification, which is for class B. We also offer particle counters which can be used in class 1, and these particle counters have several other varieties. We also offer the online particle counter which has the direct reporting and online reporting. Thanks for watching.